Hello, in this recording we're going to talk about the use of portfolios in the World Languages and Cultures program at Drake University. To begin, you'll need to go to wlc2.drake.edu or click the link in your Moodle course to get to this page. If you've created a portfolio before, you'll notice that it looks a little different, and if you've never created one before, this will all be new to you. So let's go through what you see here. By default, there's going to be two options. There's going to be the My Page option and the Blogs option. Because we're only using one utility in this OS X server configuration, we're not going to need the My Page option. So you can go directly to the Blogs page. And you'll notice that there are quite a few blogs that have already been created by other students here. What we're interested in is if we're interested in getting to your blog. Okay, if you've never logged in before, the easiest thing to do is to click here, log into My Page. This is where you're going to put in your Drake ID and password that you use everywhere else on campus. So let's put in a user here and log in. Now you'll notice the interface has changed just a little bit. So it sees now, it identifies who I am, and you'll see that it has Create My Blog here. Now if you already have a portfolio, instead of saying this button here will not say Create My Blog, it'll say Go to My Blog, but the process is the same. So let's, now that it knows who I am, let's go and create my blog.
So you'll see when you first create your blog, there are no posts to begin. So to start, let's click on this plus sign and create a new post. And let's just title this one New Post. And then click Create. And what this does is this creates a post in here where you can put in some text or whatever. So let's just put in some, this is text. And then hit Save. So here's our newest post. If we click back on our username here, it sees that this is the new post that we've created. Now we can create a new post. Another new post by clicking the plus sign, or we can go in and we can modify this one by clicking on the title and then hitting the pencil option. This gets an edit button, so we can put more text and then hitting save again. And so that's the basis of how you create your post.
Okay, so let's say you've navigated away from your blog by accidentally logging in at the My Page or clicking on the My Page settings. So if you see a page like this, this is the My Pages. And what this is designed for is that there are several functions that the server can have. There are blogs, there are wikis, there's a calendar. We're only using one of those, and that's the blogs. So if you ever get stuck on this, there's a couple different ways to get back to it. One of them is to click on a post and then click on your username, and that'll take you back into your blog's setting. Another way to do that is that if you see this and you click on the blogs, this takes you back into all the blogs for the site, and then you can click Go to My Blog. So all of it is a two-step process. That other page is really useful if we were using any of the other functions from the server, but because we're only using a blog, it's a lot less useful.